To measure the centroid and radius of each circular object in an image, we will use the plugin UCV Vision Sciences. To install the plugin, head to Help and select Update. Once the update is completed, select Manage Update Sites and scroll down and find UCV Vision Sciences. Now click on Apply and Close. In the Image Updater window, select Apply Changes and restart the Fiji. A half-circle transform is an image transform that can extract circular objects from an image, even if the circle is incomplete. The transform is likewise biased towards circles and will often overlook extended ellipses. The transform effectively finds objects with a high degree of radial symmetry. The first step is to convert the image into an 8-bit format. To determine if circular objects are solid or hollow, head to Process and find Edges to calculate the image derivative. This will just preserve the perimeter of each object. Next, head to Image, Adjust, and Threshold to threshold the image and create a mask. After selecting the appropriate threshold, press Apply to generate a mask with an inverting LUT. To return to a grayscale, select Image, Lookup Tables, and Grace. Now, navigate to the plugin and scroll down to find UCV Vision Sciences and select Half Circle Transform. The graphical user interface offers two modes, Easy Mode and Advanced Mode. Easy Mode option employs the fewest number of user input values required to complete the transformation. The remaining parameters are all set to the most carefully settings, ensuring that all circles that meet the requirements are detected. Advanced Mode. This mode is meant for more fine-tuned searches, such as better adapting the search space to your data or increasing the speed of the half transform. Minimum and maximum search radius. The lowest and the maximum search radii represent the lower and higher cutoffs for the radii you expect to see in the image. Ideally, you want to make the half search space as specific as possible. Radius search increment. This specifies the radius step size to be used while constructing the 3D half space from the minimum to the maximum radius. Minimum number of circles to be found. This value represents the smallest number of circles the half circle transform will look for before moving to partial or full search algorithms to identify missing circles. Maximum number of circles to be found. This parameter determines the maximum number of circles that can be found in the search. Half score threshold. This parameter specifies the minimal half score required for a circle to be considered a legitimate object. The lower the score criteria, the longer the search will be, with incomplete and/or imperfect circles. Half transform resolution. This parameter controls the amount of steps in each circular transform. Reducing the resolution below the maximum value can significantly accelerate the procedure, but it also reduces the transform's specificity and sensitivity. Clear neighbor radius ratio. Once a circle is discovered, the space around the local maxima must be deleted in order to prevent the circle from being discovered again. By default, this ratio is set to 1, which means that a circle of the same size and position as the one identified is removed from the whole search region. Local radius search bandwidth plus or minus previous radius. This parameter allows you to specify the g-axis for the local half search space. local search radius for position of next centroid. This number allows you to specify the x and y-axis search radius. For example, if the position of any circular item in your data is unlikely to be changed by more than 10 pixels in a single frame, you can narrow the local search by entering 10. Reduce transform resolution. Because all images will be pixels in a Cartesian coordinate system, transforms can only be to discrete integer coordinates. Example, x equal to 5 and y equal to 10. Local search parameters. The local search technique significantly reduces the amount of transform and search space in consecutive frames, allowing for orders of magnitude increases in processing time. Select the output options that are applicable and then click OK. The output displays the results table, score map, centroid map, centroid overlay, and half transform series. The results table contains the ID, the coordinates, and its corresponding radius values in pixels. The results can be easily saved in a .csv format. Now, use the formula pi r square, where r is the radius, to measure the area of the circle. Thanks for watching.